in the rolling hills of Belt Buckle, Tennessee, but don't let the landscape fool you. It might be quiet out here, but we're in Corvette country and we're at VetteNuts.
Actually started when I wrecked my Corvette. I had bought it from my father and slid it off the road and it was totaled. So I bought it from the insurance company, bought it back, and we started parting it out. And that's what started the business, was wrecking my Corvette.
I've made my way into this 5,000 square foot building that is home to VetteNuts, where they can fix up and do anything you want to your Corvette except paint.
Getting involved into the drifting, I met Nick Thomas, and he's also got a Corvette that he was building at the time. So we have partnered up. He had all the experience of the drifting, the knowledge, and I have obviously the Corvette knowledge. So we partnered up and we're developing steering angle kits for the Vettes. They're great drift cars right out of the box. They're just lacking steering angle. So we have developed that, and we're developing some other parts as well, lower control arms, e-brake for your hydro, several other custom components that will be releasing to the public.
If you broke VetteNuts into two components, it would be one Corvette parts and two service. But the company originally started by selling parts first.
One of the largest producers of our business is our parts side, taking these late model C5s and C6s and parting them out. We've actually got a differential going out tomorrow to the Netherlands.
I'm back here with VetteNuts owner Marc Rose and his Corvette, and it's fair to say this guy likes drifting.
It's just controlled chaos. I mean, you set it sideways, and the adrenaline rush from that is like no other that I've ever been able to get from an oval course, you know, road coursing, racing car, or drag racing. It is just such a sensation.
You broke Vette parts.